Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Tradingview mobile app. It's really simple and easy. Now, first of all, we must do is actually find something to buy. So for example, I'm going to show you how to trade media. So you go to the search bar and you have to search for whatever you want to buy. Click on it and from there you can click on the full screen button in the bottom right corner and it now opens up the chart. So in order to place a trade, we can go to the bottom right corner and click these three dots and it will then open up this more menu and we can look for this option which says connect broker. Now from there we can choose a broker which we want to trade with. Basically you need to find one which you have an account with and from there you can then select it and then you can sign into your account. From there you will be able to see these buttons in the top left corner which are red and blue and they signify in selling and buying the stock. So if I wanted to buy, I can click on this blue button and as you can see I can now choose to buy the stock. So I'm going to choose to market buy it and I'm just going to buy one share. From there you can add a take profit or stop loss if you want. However, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to buy one share. Now as you can see the market is currently closed, so the order was rejected. However, if the market was open, that would have gone through and it would have bought me one share of this Nvidia and I can sold it by clicking on the right button and then choosing to sell one share of this Nvidia. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to place a trade on TradingView mobile app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.